Go to DeckFlow.com, log in, and drag your PowerPoint slides into the upload area. If you need to change the file, click Reselect. Choose the original language and the language you want to translate into. Select the best translation model for your needs. For a more advanced option, enable Complete Translation. If your presentation contains images with text, check Translate Image. To keep key terms consistent, add them to the glossary before translating, and enable Use Glossary. Click Translate and let DeckFlow handle the rest. Once the translation is complete, preview the file online. Click Download to save it to your device for further editing or sharing. Try it out now.